Hey, as someone who's created over 8,000 YouTube videos and actually has a personal streak of over 1,000 days of doing the daily financial news, I have to tell you that one of the greatest joys I get are hearing from you, my subscribers. Let me just read to you one of my subscriber notes that I received in the last couple of weeks. Here we go. Thank you for everything you do to help others succeed. I started following you about 2 years ago. I have purchased 7 single-family properties since then. I followed your advice to a T, and we couldn't be in a better financial situation. Folks, that is why you create 8,000 YouTube videos. That is why you have a streak of 1,000 days in a row. My name is Michael Zuber, and I am the author of One Rental at a Time. If you're still watching this ad, it's only because you are interested in a better financial future. Let me give you the biggest mistake that I see investors make. It's actually rule number 1 for one rental at a time, and that is focus. Most new real estate investors simply aren't focused. You don't know what market, you don't know what asset, you have no idea what a buy box is. Let me just tell you right now, buy box is the number 1 missing ingredient for new investors. This is so important. On my YouTube channel, One Rental at a Time, I have a playlist called Deep Dive. We did a 60-minute session on buy box, what it is, and had students share that with you. Check that video out. It is free on my channel.